Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Calculus students, let's master this integral function problem together. We will analyze the graph of f to determine where the function g is increasing. First, we apply the fundamental theorem of calculus. Since g is the integral of f, the derivative g prime is simply f. This means the graph of f shows g's slope. Next, remember that a function g is increasing whenever its derivative is positive. On our graph, we need to find the interval where the function f stays strictly above the x-axis. The graph shows f is positive from x equals 1 to x equals 6. Thus, g increases there, confirming option B is correct. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Trust given data and check steps.